I went to one woman's house, yeah, on I think it was Monday or Tuesday. I feel like it was Tuesday, yes. Anyway, boom. I went to two people's houses on Tuesday actually, and they both didn't have electric. The first house, this young girl answered the door. So she said, there's no electric. So what do you mean there's no electric? So yeah, the electric's ran out. She was just sitting in the house, no electric on. The mom had gone out to work for the day, sitting in the yard, no electric. So anyway, I can still do the test without electric. I just put down, limitations and that. So I left that property and then I went to another property. I don't know if it was the one that was directly afterwards, but anyway, this woman's answered the door and she's like, oh yeah, I ain't got no electric at the moment. I need to top up. So anyway, the yard was mad. Like when the doors have holes in it and that, yeah. So anyway, I'm in the kitchen now, yeah. And I noticed the fridge door was open. Like slightly, like it was open a bit, like I don't know, let's say 5-6 inches open, yeah. So I'm in the kitchen testing the sockets. Yeah? There's no power, there's no electric in this property, and it's starting to get dark as well. It's like 4 o'clock. I'm in the kitchen testing the sockets, and I noticed the fridge door was slightly open, like about 4 or 5 inches. So I'm thinking, why's the fridge door open? Like this woman says she ain't got no electric. She's gonna get electric, yeah, allegedly. So I'm thinking. So I looked in the fridge, like I took a peek in the fridge. There's nothing in there. So I think to myself, this woman didn't just run out of electric. If you have a fridge that has nothing in there, that means that you don't need electric to keep the food cold because there's no food in there. So this woman didn't just run out of electric. She probably has no electric in the property. Anyway, I'm standing at in the kitchen at the work surface, using it as a bench to write my notes down, yeah. And she had this what do they call it? Not a rice cooker, a slow cooker. I don't know what the fuck this was in there. It just looked like some sludge. Yo, listen, this thing did stink. It was rotten. It smelled like it had been there for about 6, 7, 8 days. I don't think the woman's got any money for electric, definitely. I don't think she's got any money for any food. Crazy.